All right. So that's Din Tai Fung. Din Tai Fung. All right. It's a Monday. Monday around 6 o'clock, 6 p.m.
They did ask us for our vaccine card, and they asked us if we wanted to sanitize our hands. So they sprayed our hands with alcohol. And that's about 10:32. Come to the table. Yeah, 10:32. Thank you. I ordered three dishes that go in the bamboo thing. We're here at Din Tai Fung. Din Tai Fung. What do you have to say? And they did check us. They did check our check off that they ask us about appetizers. They check off everything to make sure they ask you about everything. That's the wonton soup, pork wonton soup, and these are the wontons, and we don't know what they're soup dumplings. So these must be the pork soup dumplings. There's 10 of those. We got 10 pork dumplings, soup dumplings. And they're made fresh right here. Made fresh right here in the front. We can see them making it. So you can see the bill. It's roughly about the same. It's $1,535. $1,535. No, it's okay. $1,535. It's about $29. Alright, so here at Dim Fung Young something.
This is Tai Fung.
Dim's dumpling place. You can see they're making the dumplings right there. And we're here. We just had dinner. It cost us, we had a lot of dumplings and it cost us $27. So this is SM Megamall. SM Megamall. Here in Manila, where it's hot.